Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you what is ShopPay and how does it work. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we first need to know how do we actually turn on ShopPay. So first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our account. So make sure that you are currently logged in into your admin dashboard. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to our settings at the bottom left. From here, we want to go to payments. And from here, first thing you need to do is you need to turn on Shopify payments. So Shopify payments is only available on certain countries. So if you're not aware, if you're part of those countries, you'll be able to see it under the help center section for Shopify. Now, currently, these are the countries that support Shopify payments. But yeah, so once you've turned on your Shopify payments, you want to click on Manage at the top right here on Shopify payments. And from here, click on Manage again. And from here, you should be able to see the Shop Pay option. So what you need to do here is you just need to make sure that this option is enabled and you'll be able to use Shop Pay. Now, what sets ShopPay apart? Well, it offers ShopPay checkout, allowing you to earn 1% shop cash. Plus, you have the flexibility to buy now and pay later with interest-free payments for up to 12 months or choose to pay with interest over 3 to 24 months. And that's not all. You can even shop featured collections, select payment plans that suits your needs. But it's not just about convenience. ShopPay is making strides toward a greener future. So every ShopPay purchase removes carbon from the atmosphere at no extra cost. So your shopping can have a positive impact on the environment. Now, if you're a Shopify user, integrating ShopPay is a breeze. So you just need to head over to the previous steps that we just did and you should be good. Now, once integrated, you gain access to Shop Channel Analytics. This powerful tool lets you track impressions, favorites, orders, and sales, and you can even manage products and collections, making your store more discoverable. Now, to access this, what you need to do is you need to click on the settings at the bottom left. And from here, you need to go to App and Sales Channels, choose Online Store here, click on Open Sales Channel at the top right, and from there, just choose Analytics. So this option will be available to you if you have a plan installed into your account. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty. So while ShopPay is a free app, it does come with different pricing options, including a 0% APR for certain purchases, and they even offer payment options through Shop installments, making it a flexible for your budget. But what if you're not on Shopify? Well, no worries. ShopPay pays well with others, so you can use it with providers like Wise, making the buying process easier and quicker. And it's all about giving you options. Well, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.